When Christmas was near, the men came back with a lot of alcohol and some personal belongings of people they'd ambushed on the road far away from the camp. They didn't bring any humans, but they told her that the following morning they would boil her 1-year-old.
That night, the whole camp drank the alcohol, and by morning, they were all asleep.
She took that opportunity to escape.
We didn't know the forest. We didn't know where we were.
They walked for days, stumbling through the dark forest, avoiding any path seemed to be used by humans or animals.
We walked until my daughter's feet were swollen and our soles peeled off. Mother, why can't I die?
The 5-year-old cried.
Why can't I die and sleep? After 12 nightfall, we met forest guards and told them about the Mai Mai men. They were shocked and scared. They took us to a camp where we ate real food. The next morning, they told us to go to Kenya, that they would accept us there. The guard gave us clothes to wear, and a few of them helped us to get to the Ugandan border. We avoided any path in the forest. But the journey to Kakuma camp was not easy. But we are here now. We are away from those evil men.
I asked her if she was okay now, if her children were okay. She told me bado niko hai, which could be anything from a statement of defiance to a statement of revelation that she is here.
My children, the smallest is 8 years old and can't recall it. But the other two, now 13 and 15, remember very well. Sometimes they wake up screaming. Sometimes they are fine. Sometimes they are not.
I could feel her story break something in me. I couldn't write the story soon after I came back to Nairobi. I didn't know how to write it. I felt inadequate to put the emotion to it, to share with you her plight, to see and feel the pulse of her pain. I think about her story often, and the stories of so many other women, children, families who've undergone such horrific journeys, who have lost their dignity and now struggle to reclaim it, who will have to celebrate Christmas with such adversity. Maybe we could help alleviate these families from the struggles. This Christmas, spread the spirit of giving and donate to families forced to flee across Africa.